At CMUBS, we conduct teaching and learning through action learning, which is a form of learning through experience, also known as experiential learning. With a focus on finding solutions to real business problems, as various organizations have assigned real-world challenges for our learners to solve. The role of faculty advisors is to act as a bridge between the information learners receive from entrepreneurs and the theories they study in class. This helps learners analyze the problems and develop solutions that not only address current issues through action learning, but also propose future plans to the entrepreneurs. In one case, we received generous support from a stock market company that provided a massive amount of transactional data. Learners applied their integrated knowledge to analyze and identify key issues that require urgent solutions. We are developing a brand whose unique selling point has not yet been clearly defined. We developed the business through the 4 Ps. As a result, brand awareness increased by 400%, making the egg selling business much more widely recognized. In the case of Yano Company, we found that the company had no problems with marketing. The clothes produced were always sold out. The real bottleneck was in the sewing process. Therefore, the learners designed an online production tracking system as well as an accounting system to support operations. The outcomes of action learning are tangible. They create measurable happiness that we can also pass on to customers. For entrepreneurs, the benefit is receiving practical solutions from learners. Learners and faculty members engage in a learning process that generate teaching impact in terms of innovation. At the same time, faculty members can expand this knowledge into research, leading to future research impact. All of this reflects the business school's excellence in management processes.